I want to tell you all about the Grind Time Media merchandise. What I'm saying? I'm working on the merchandise as well. You can go check out my merchandise. I got hats. I got a Grind Time Media t-shirts, My Reality clothing. I got Tony Ray's barbecue sauce. Check that out. I got that as well. I also got all kind of stuff going on up there. I got different specials, different things going on. So check that out. You're gonna get the merchandise. You're gonna get the barbecue sauce. I also got some tutorials for sale. I posted a lot of tutorials, and those tutorials that I posted, they were tutorials for I got such a good response from them that I'm posting some exclusive stuff. But this is stuff that you're gonna have to purchase. And if you want to see more videos and more stuff, then I got those tutorials for you to check out as well. Those tutorials that I've already posted, I'm sure you watched those. Hit like, hit subscribe, and then I got some exclusive stuff that I go into detail on, for a low price. And all together, you're gonna love it. You already love the tutorials that I got right now, so you're gonna love the new stuff that I got. You're also gonna love the PDFs and everything else I'm gonna be giving away on grindtimemedia.org. And also, please like and subscribe. I can't stress that enough. Like and subscribe, like and subscribe, like and subscribe. And get you one of them tutorials and things like that, because until the sponsors come running in, basically if they come running in, how basically, this is I'm putting these videos out for free. So I'm not asking for nothing really, not something for nothing, but if you like what I'm putting out, support the movement, support us Grind Time Media, support us grindtimemedia.org, support Hood Handyman. And I guarantee you, I'm gonna keep putting the videos out, and they're gonna keep getting better. And you're gonna like them, you're gonna enjoy them, you're gonna love them, you're gonna want to share them with your friends, you're gonna want to share them with your family. You dig what I'm saying? I'm also gonna be shooting a video here shortly about how to do some soundproofing. Not really soundproofing for like the whole studio, but soundproofing for if you got a little bit of a vocal setup, you want to kind of isolate, like my voice right now where I'm talking the regular camera mic. So basically I'm going to be talking through, I'm going to make something that I'm going to use, that I'm going to be talking through the microphone. I got the microphone right over here, so here go the microphone. So I got the microphone, so I'm going to have it laid around the microphone, insulate around the microphone. You want more crisper sound on that as well. Love that as well. Stay tuned for that here shortly. Depending on how time goes, depending on what I got going on, I'm going to go ahead and post that up. So, and on the website, it's grindtimemedia.org. I got Tony Ray's barbecue. My name's Tony Ray. Got some of the best barbecue in the Carolinas, barbecue sauce. I got some rub as well. I got some all kind of stuff. You're gonna love it. Because we like to cook out around here. We like to make ribs. We like to all that kind of stuff. We like to throw chicken in the air fryer if we indoors. We do it all. It's crazy. So I got some Tony Ray's barbecue sauce. I got My Reality clothing. My own little line that I got that I'm trying to expand on. So you're not gonna get no drop ship t-shirts. We actually make those t-shirts. So you're gonna get those. I got a Grind Time Media hats. I got all that stuff. So I got merchandise as well. And I got some tutorials, like I mentioned. These tutorials are basically the ones that I have on YouTube. Those tutorials are free. But also when I go in depth, I'm gonna show you more. And I'm gonna, I got a well water and purification tutorial right now. I'm starting that at $9.99. Also, I got, if you want to learn a trade, I'm gonna show you how to do tile work. I might have a tile video already up there on it's on my YouTube channel, but I want to go in detail and show you how to really do the tile. You might be able to watch one video and go out there and start your own business. So this is why I'm telling you, that you need to head on over to this grindtimemedia.org, click the link, go watch my videos that I already have, and also support the movement. That way I can keep putting out more videos. These are just a few of them that I have so far. Some I got coming down the pipeline. So once you join my email list, I'll be putting a link on grindtimemedia.org, or you can just like and subscribe on YouTube. Click the link to the videos, and when you get up there, basically I will show you. I'll send you emails as well. You can stay on board with what we got going on. So I should be dropping something about at least once a month. They usually drop, every week, me. But it's probably gonna be once a month till the season really kicks in. Still kind of tied up right now. But I want to make sure that I bring you all the best videos and material that I can. So check me out. This was just a short video on what we got going on with Grind Time Media, talking about this new site. It's grindtimemedia.org. It's grindtimemedia.com. And also, I want to tell you about 123creditconsultant.com. We'll talk about entrepreneurship, things like that, on your own business. How to get a credit line for your own business, and stuff like that. So you're gonna like that. Get your credit straight, get your business straight, and you can go out here, get equipment and stuff like that, and help build your credit, and also it's a tax write-off and everything. So check that out as well. So we're doing all these things. Check me out. My name's Tony Ray. YouTube's Hood Handyman. The whole deal is this Grind Time Media, because you gotta stay on your grind.